It's Tuesday, the 24th or 5th of January. Got my backhoe transported to John Deere Construction. Here it's called Doggett Machinery and Service. Getting ready to offload off the truck. Battery's a little weak. Driver said it loaded up real easy. See, right now it's not going to start. Weak battery. Weak battery. Probably got a little cold last night. Anyway, no real surprises. Need to replace the bucket teeth. Need to replace the cutting edge on the bucket. They probably got a jump pack. With the cutting edge being worn, tells me the hours are not accurate. Couldn't really see that. They are going to put it on a computer and check the hours on the ECM. I'm going to guess it's going to be 4,000 or 5,000 hour machine, which really doesn't bother me too much. The boom and stick is in great shape. No cracks, no welds, no repairs. Ass end of the backhoe is not beat up. Missing the pads on the outriggers. Again, this is just nickel and dime stuff. This is the right side. I got two low tires on the left side, not really low, just low. All the engine covers are in place. But had I not been recovering from the surgeries, I probably would have went over there and looked at it in person. First thing I would have noticed was the worn down cutting edge. There ain't no way this is a 500 hour machine. But it is what it is. Also got some concrete residue, which tells me it spent part of its time not digging graves. Steer cylinders look to be okay. No damage up here. Still not displeased. Like I said, this will last me the rest of my life plus. That's one of the reasons I brought it straight to Doggett. Let them give it a solid evaluation, and they'll tell me the truth. And basically it is what it is. 2005 model machine. Parts availability should be strong for the next 10-20 years. It is four-wheel drive. So, like I said, I'm not displeased. So, that's all for this one. I'm going to pick it up and get it to the farm. I'll do a better in-depth video. Thank you.